Morning, student. So far, we have done main features of Indus Valley civilization. Let's have a quick recap. As you know, earliest cities of the Indian subcontinent were Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, Lothal, and Dholavira, etc. They were situated at the bank of river Indus. As they are located in the valley of the river Indus, it is known as Indus Valley Civilization. Why it is known as Indus Valley Civilization? Because they are located in the valley of the river Indus. Now, main features of Indus Valley Civilization. Harappan cities were divided into two parts, Citadel and Lower Town. Citadel was the upper part, western part of the city and built on much height or raised ground. And lower part was Lower Town and it was eastern part of the city. So Citadel is a fort-like structure built on raised ground, and it was inhabited by the rulers, and they had three important buildings: town hall, the great bath, and granaries. Town hall was assembly hall, the great bath was a huge tank used for religious bathing, and granary used to store food produce. And lower town was inhabited by common ordinary people like laborers and craftsmen. Now, architecture of Harappan cities. So, Harappan cities, they have advanced architecture like granaries, dockyards, warehouses, well-planned cities, well-planned streets, proper sanitation and storage, baked brick houses. Houses were made of baked bricks. And the general layout of all Harappan city is the same. Now, how was life of Harappan people? So, life of Harappan people, they were engaged in different occupation. Agriculture was the main occupation at that time, and most of the people were farmer, lived in lower town. So, agriculture crops were grown: wheat, barley, cereals, peas, and cotton. These were the main crops that were grown at that time. And taming of animal was also there. That included hummed and humpless cattle, goats and buffaloes, and possibly elephant. But it appears that the horse was not used. Horse was not used at that time. So different occupations included image making and sculpting, pottery making, toys making, seals making, and spinning and weaving. So craftsmen. Then they had this craftsmen. They were engaged in image making and sculpting, and they had a great sense of art. As you can see in the picture, the statue of a priest, king, and dancing girl. How beautifully made! And these are the finest example of work of art. Statues were made up of stones, clays, and metals at that time. Now there was pottery making and also toys making. Their toys included whistles, marbles, rattles, clay crafts, and animals, and they were made of clays. Now, scribes. What is scribes? Scribes are people who wrote and prepared seals. Scribes are people who wrote and prepared seals. So, as you can see in the picture, these are seals. These are seals. So, seals, they are made of materials such as pottery, statite, faience, ivory, etc. An ideal of the dress, ornaments, hairstyles, religious faiths, commercial activities of the Indus Valley people engraved on these seals. What does engraved mean? Engraved is to carve words or design on metal or stone, that is engraved. And more than 2000 seals have been found at various sites of Indus Valley. And the most important is that of Shiva Pashupati, which has been found at Mohenjo-daro. As you can see, inscription in this picture, but the inscription of but the script of Indus Valley civilization, Indus Valley has not been deciphered yet. Deciphered means not till they are not till they don't understand the script. So the script of Indus Valley has not been deciphered yet. Now religion. So religion, they were religious people. They believed in God and they worshipped. They worshipped the people of the people of Indus Valley civilization worshipped objects of nature, trees and animals, and the people tree and the bull were regarded as sacred and worshipped. No temples have been found, but they were follow a religion which worship natural objects like people, trees, animals, and so on. Now, decay and fall of the Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization lasted about 1,000 years and it disappeared by about 1500 BC. But the exact cause of the downfall of this great civilization is not known. It might have been regular flood it might have been destroyed by regular floods or an epidemic, or some terrible disease might have killed the people, or climate change. Climate change means the climate began to change and the region became more and more dry like a desert. And invasion means that Aryans attacked their cities and destroyed them. Earthquake might have been the reason, and climate change, as we said, and epidemic means some terrible disease might have killed the people. So this might be the reason, but exact reason was not found. Exact cause of the downfall of this great civilization is not known. Now case study given in your book Harappan cities in Gujarat. Lothal and Dholavira were ancient cities in Gujarat. So Lothal was situated at the head of Gulf of Khambhat, and a large warehouse has been found, and it had a flourishing bead making industry. Brick dockyard connected to the Gulf of Khambhat through a channel was found, and the ships might have been unloaded and loaded here in this dockyard, and all these evidences prove that Lothal was involved in overseas trade. Now Dholavira lies in the island of Khadir, surrounded by the run of Kutch in Gujarat. And unlike other cities, the city has three parts: a citadel, a middle town, and the lower town. The rulers of Dholavira lived in the citadel, the rich in the middle town, and the ordinary people in the lower town. So we conclude that Harappan cities had a rich culture. Main occupation was agriculture. Other occupations were sculpting, toys making, pottery making, seals making, spinning, and weaving. They were religious and worshipped nature objects like people trees and bull. And the exact cause of the downfall of the great civilization is not known. So we will be moving on to the next chapter in upcoming class. Have a great day ahead.